Here's a step-by-step guide to making single-acting baking powder at home, using common ingredients. This is ideal for immediate use or short-term storage. What you need: 1. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, the base 1 part. 2. Acid. Choose 1. Cream of tartar, potassium bitartrate, best for neutral taste, 2 parts. Food grade citric acid, more potent, use 1.5 parts. Lemon juice powder if available, but may add flavor. 3. Stabilizer. Cornstarch or arrowroot powder, 1 part. Crucial to absorb moisture and prevent clumping, reaction. Ratio: 1:2 to 1 baking soda, acid, cornstarch. Example: 1 teaspoon baking soda plus 2 teaspoons cream of tartar plus 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Sanitize tools, wash bowl, spoon, and airtight container with hot soapy water. Dry completely. Moisture ruins baking powder, asterisk. 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a dry bowl, combine 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar or 1.5 teaspoons citric acid, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. 3. Blend thoroughly. Whisk or sift mixture for 1 to 2 minutes until absolutely uniform. No streaks or clumps. Check for even color, texture. 4. Store correctly. Transfer to an airtight container immediately. Label with the date. Important notes. Shelf life. Homemade powder lasts 2 to 4 weeks versus commercial, 6 to 18 months. Cornstarch slows but doesn't stop moisture absorption. Test freshness. Mix 1 teaspoon powder with 1/3 cup hot water. It should bubble vigorously. Usage. Use double the amount versus store-bought powder, e.g., 2 teaspoons homemade, 1 teaspoon commercial. Add directly to dry ingredients in recipes. Avoid substitutes. Vinegar, lemon juice liquid won't work. Powder requires dry acids. Baking soda alone. Baking powder needs acid to activate. Why commercial powder lasts longer? Store-bought brands use dual acids, e.g., sodium acid pyrophosphate for delayed reactions. Anti-caking agents, e.g., calcium silicate. Aluminum compounds in some brands for heat-activated rise. When to use homemade. Perfect for quick recipes, pancakes, muffins. Allergies to commercial additives. Emergency baking needs. Safety tip: use food-grade ingredients only. Never substitute unknown acids.